Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into the Hisense 100-inch Class U7 Series OLED 4K UHD Google Smart TV 2024 model. If you're considering a massive upgrade to your home entertainment setup, this detailed review will help you understand why the 100U76N might be the perfect choice for you. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The Hisense 100U76N boasts an impressive and sleek design that makes it the centerpiece of any living space. The 100-inch screen is framed by ultra-thin bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience that draws you right into the action. The build quality is robust, with a sturdy stand that ensures stability despite the TV's large size. Whether wall-mounted or on a stand, this TV's premium aesthetic enhances any room's decor. Display performance. At the heart of the Hisense 100U76N is its stunning 100-inch OLED 4K UHD display. With a resolution of 3840 x 2160, this TV delivers incredibly sharp and detailed images. The OLED technology enhances color accuracy, contrast, and brightness, providing vibrant and lifelike visuals. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games, the 100U76N offers a cinematic experience right in your living room. HD and picture quality. One of the standout features of the 100U76N is its support for multiple HD formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. HDR enhances the contrast and color range of your content, providing deeper blacks, brighter whites, and more vivid colors. This ensures that every detail is visible, from the darkest shadows to the brightest highlights, creating a more immersive and realistic viewing experience. The quantum dot technology further enhances color reproduction, delivering over a billion shades for exceptional picture quality. Smooth motion and gaming features. Gamers and sports fans will appreciate the motion rate 240 and the 120Hz native refresh rate, which ensures smooth and fluid motion during fast-paced scenes. The TV also features Game Mode Pro, which reduces input lag and enhances the gaming experience by providing a more responsive performance. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games or watching a high-speed sports event, the 100U76N delivers smooth and clear visuals without motion blur. Audio quality. The Hisense 100U76N comes equipped with Dolby Atmos audio technology, providing an immersive sound experience that complements the stunning visuals. The built-in speakers deliver clear and powerful sound, making dialogue crisp and effects more impactful. For those seeking a more cinematic audio experience, pairing the TV with a high-quality soundbar or home theater system is recommended. Smart features in Google TV. Powered by Google TV, the Hisense 100U76N offers a seamless and intuitive smart TV experience. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through apps, search for content, and customize your home screen. With access to a vast library of streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more, you'll never run out of entertainment options. The built-in Google Assistant allows for convenient voice control, enabling you to find your favorite shows, adjust settings, and control other smart home devices with simple voice commands. Connectivity. The Hisense 100U76N offers a comprehensive range of connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1, USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth. These options ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices, from gaming consoles to sound systems. The HDMI 2.1 ports support features like ERC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, and a LLM, Auto Low Latency Mode, making it an excellent choice for gamers and home theater enthusiasts. Final thoughts. The Hisense 100-inch Class U7 Series OLED 4K UHD Google Smart TV, 100U76N, 2024 model, is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to make a significant upgrade to their home entertainment system. Its combination of a massive 100-inch display, advanced HDR support, superior audio quality, robust smart features, and excellent gaming performance make it a top-tier option in the market. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a sports fan, or a gamer, the 100U76N delivers an immersive and high-quality viewing experience that will exceed your expectations. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.